Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite for beginners. To begin, you'll drop onto an island with 99 other players. Your goal is simple: be the last one standing. The game features a unique blend of shooting and building, making it both strategic and fast-paced. You'll need to gather resources, find weapons, and outsmart your opponents to claim victory. Understanding your controls is crucial. You'll use standard movement keys or joysticks to navigate the island. Sprinting helps you cover ground quickly, while jumping can help you avoid incoming fire or reach higher ledges. Practice switching between your weapons and building pieces seamlessly. This fluid movement and quick access to your inventory will give you a significant edge in engagements. Once you land, your first priority is to find loot. Look for chests and floor loot to acquire weapons, shield potions, and ammo. Remember, different weapons excel at various ranges. A shotgun is great up close, while a sniper is for long distances. Always keep an eye on your health and shield, using consumables to stay in the fight. Engaging enemies effectively requires good aim and strategic positioning. Building is a core mechanic in Fortnite. You can gather 3 types of materials: wood, stone, and metal. Use these to quickly construct defensive walls, ramps, and even entire forts. Building provides cover, allows you to gain high ground, and can turn the tide of a battle. Always be mindful of the shrinking storm circle and plan your rotations to stay safe and survive until the very end.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.